I'm happy to say hello, all ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. It's your guys Magida Raybon, and I'm enjoying the serenity. I'm enjoying the breeze. I'm enjoying everything back at home. But don't tell anyone. What I'd just like to tell you is that you're welcome. Yeah. I'm seeing a certain kind of a weed which is always very dangerous to vegetation. This kind of weed is very, very dangerous. I don't know where it came from. This kind of weed, it's always very dangerous. I don't know whether it's kids who are playing and threw it here. I don't know. But it doesn't have roots. It always have only stems. This kind of weed is very dangerous. So I've just thrown it there because it will interfere with our fence here. The way it is so strong, thick, anything cannot pass by, only snakes. But it might interfere with our fence, so I just thrown it here so that maybe it will dry up. If you know the name of this weed and how it can be eliminated, I think just give us a comment. It will help another person also. It's a very dangerous weed. I was passing by, coming from home, then turning on my left hand side, I happen to have seen it. It is also still a small one. I don't know whether if cutting the branches of the tree will eliminate it or do. Let me do so. See if I'll manage, because it doesn't have a root. It's only having a stem, it doesn't have a root. It's always like satanic things, and also it spreads very fast. I think many people have seen it. It's a very dangerous weed. Let me just put it somewhere. Let's leave somewhere where they'll dry. If I place them here, and then I'll pick them. It's almost when Karisu kifunga mi mara piko akete gotoka go akete ke kom. Okay, mano karise kan arade bono tiki bata dengi okata chaka duwa. I was speaking to my dad. The kind of weed I was telling you is this. This weed is very dangerous. See how chicken are strolling our village. So you'll ask me, Smaggy, where do you come from? I come from the village, deep in the village, and the sun is setting far away. You can see the sun is setting. Actually, it has been raining. Everything is now becoming green. Nanguru, unti maber? Oh, kotok chwe kawuono. Iriambo. Isomo kanye? Kambajo te. Kambajo dong bor bwana. Dong weni somo. Oh, manobe. I was asking them where they're schooling. One of them, the lady just pointed out that she's schooling far away from home. So I was asking her why, and then she's telling me that by Monday she'll be enrolling in another school, and that's it. They've really planted. They've already planted season now, just to ensure that everything is becoming green. is growing healthy the way they should be. Last time when I came home for the first time, it was during summer and everything was dry. There were a lot of dust, yeah, and it rained like after like a month it rained, and everything is now green. Yes, mark me right. My siblings are coming. I'm going to happen to meet them. The last one and the second last, I don't know where they are from, but they will just tell me where they are from so I can have information where they are from. To walk with walk on. Oh, Omera, tenango. To what team near duane? Don't want to do. Thank you very much for watching this video till to the end. I'm the guy behind the videos in this channel. If you find it amazing, give it a like and give to this channel a subscribe. I go by the name Smagedha Ribbon. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. And thank you for your time.